Let's put together the midsection. Not so much hard as it is just plain messy. Put a little bit of grease in a little mechanism for tightening friction. Go. There. Beginning to look like an engine. We'll put the extension on and the gear case, the lower unit, and then we'll be ready to put the engine block back on. Okay, we're getting ready to put the power head back on, the lower unit. And while we're doing that, we're going to need to reattach the water pipe. And it has a small grommet that fits right into the bottom of the power head. You can see there's two little notches and then a hole where the pipe feeds through. And it's got a little bit of an arc to it, and it fits right there. So first thing we need to do is thread the water pipe through it. And then we attach it, the water pipe, and then that gets lowered down right into the lower unit. We need to have our gasket. I'm not going to put any gasket sealer on this. It's not a place that needs to have an airtight connection. And in the future, if someone wants to shorten the lower unit, then they're going to have to remove this section in order to be able to put the new water pipe in, the shorter water pipe. So if I put gasket sealer on this, then the next time someone takes it apart, it's pretty much finished. One other thing that has to be considered is that when we put the power head on, we need to rotate the unit around so that all the bolt holes can be accessed from underneath. And so that's a matter of rotating it around and putting in and tightening up each one in turn. So I'm going to set up the camera and get started doing that. So I know that once I have this threaded through, I want this piece to be facing outside the arc. So that means it has to be threaded through this way. So all the way through. Come up around. And then that will go right in like this. Now I'm going to hold both at the same time and feed the water pipe in, carefully not losing the water pipe. Place it gently. Check that my water pipe's actually in the right position at the bottom. One started. rotate this around. Turn it around again. So now the engine block is back on the lower unit. The lower unit is attached to the motor mount. We have the extension on, and now it's time to put the gear case. And when we put the gear case in, we get the main axle connected up to the engine, and we have to make sure that the water pipe is connected to the impeller.